Hey, what's up, CompSci community? I'm back with day number 16 of my 100 Days of Code challenge. Today I made a few more changes to the Salon site. The first thing that I did was I changed the color of the H2 level section headings. I changed them from that like blondish color to a more dark gray color. It's almost black, but I just felt like that looked a lot more professional. I also changed the color of the background of the main sections from a pure white color to an off-white. So it just makes it a little bit softer. It makes the text read a little bit softer. I also increased the line spacing as well as the letter spacing, and I think that also adds to the readability of the text. The next thing that I did was I added all the content to the services section. So I put the various services in different boxes, and I gave the boxes a solid white background color, and I think that looks really good against the off-white of the section background color. I think it makes the boxes pop a little bit more. And I also gave the box rounded corners and a little bit of a shadow, and I think it adds to the effect. And the last thing that I did today was I added a smooth scroll to the navigation, and I did this with a single line of CSS, which is awesome. The only drawback is I'm not sure if it's supported on all browsers, so I'm going to look into that a little bit more. But I do like the fact that it's so simple, it doesn't take any JavaScript, and the effect at least works on Chrome, which is what I'm using to preview this website as I'm developing it. So it's nice that it at least works on Chrome. Alright, well that wraps it up for day number 16. Thank you guys for tuning in. Give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see some more of these videos, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a great day.